Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the lens obstruction restart camera error on the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 camera. So in order to fix this, first of all, you need to start by turning the camera completely off. Then you need to simply remove the battery, and the battery compartment is this. So you need to remove the battery as well as the SD card from the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45. After doing so, you need to leave everything out for at least 15 minutes. Although Kodak support also mentions longer resets can sometimes help the stubborn lens errors. Now, after doing this, before reinstalling the battery, you just have to simply press and hold the power button on top of your camera. So you need to simply press and hold it for at least 15 seconds in order to drain the leftover charge from the camera. After doing so, you need to check around the lens barrel closely. Even tiny particles like dust or sand or pocket lint can jam the compact camera lenses very easily. So in this case, you just have to simply use any compressed air or a soft brush around the lens edges, but avoid touching or forcing the lens directly. Now, lens battery voltage is another hidden cause of the lens obstruction errors. So the lens motor needs enough power to extend and retract smoothly. So you need to try using a fully charged or the newer batteries before testing the camera again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.